here we are going to design a video on Canva for a company, Coastal Style. So the template that we'll be using is the blue, pink and orange Circle Games influencer post. So we have chosen the first slide and we have changed the colors of the background, which will suit the company's background color as well. The next step would be to add an image of the company, an image that relates to the company. I have already downloaded an image and I will just be uploading that image. So that is the image that I have used. Then I will add a logo of the company, which is Coastal Style, which I had downloaded from the official website, along with another title, recipes. You can just go to text and click on add a text and then enter the word recipes and change the font type and set their position. Then we'll change the background of the slide. You can choose any colors that contrast. So for this you should have a really good color knowledge. Then we will animate the first slide. There are a set of styles that you can use. So we'll be using the rise style. Then you can create the second slide. You can use a template from the existing design. We will be using the fourth slide. We'll also change the colors as we had done in the first slide. We'll edit the text and add the company's name. This is the second part of the video where you can create short animated videos which could be used in Canva for creating more creative videos. So the first step involved in this video is selecting pictures that you want to add in this short video. So the software gives you a lot of options to upload pictures from. If you want, you can add a title intro, or else you can skip that if you don't want any title to be appeared on the starting of the video. Then the software gives you a lot of themes, predefined themes to apply. So the theme that I will be applying is the type theme, which will give you this effect. Then you can choose the orientation of the video, which could be portrait, square or cinema. For now we are going to choose the square theme as we will be using it for the Canva. Then you can set the duration as well. For now it will be 12 seconds, as it will increase with the number of images we'll add or the text we'll add. Then you will add individual text to these images, so which will act like a description to these images. So this is how it will look once you start adding text to each image. You will be adding this text as a caption and not as a title. This is how it is going to look when you add text to the individual images as a whole video. You can now change the duration according to the requirement and also change the style of the text that is being used. These settings are available in the settings option, which is the third option available. And then the final step would be to add music. In the music section, you can either add music from your music gallery if you have downloaded the music, or else you can just download it as a video without music and add it on Canva or through any other app like InShot. The app also gives you pre-installed music to choose from according to the video type. You can preview it for the last time and save the video. Any changes to be made can still be adjusted through the settings tab or through the music tab. You can also add filters to this from the settings tab. So once the video has been downloaded, you can upload it to Canva by first downloading it onto your desktop, and then you will upload it from your desktop to the Canva website. Then in the video section you will find the video. Just select that video and it will appear on the slide, and adjust the position of the video. Then you will animate the second slide as well as we had done the first slide, and you can apply the same animation effect so that it looks uniform. You can use also another style called pop. Then you will create the third slide where you can upload a screenshot of the website and add text showing the link of the website. To stay uniform, you can use the template in that design and then modify according to your requirements. Each visual element on this slide is a different element, so you can adjust the position and the size accordingly. And then the last step is to add music. In the music section, already there are many pre-uploaded music styles, so you can select any of them. You can also set the start and end position of the music. After you are done adding all the effects required, you can then set the file type as MP4 and then download it.